Hi guys, I'm Suruchi and today I'm going to get my makeup done by Swati, aka Brownsmoke makeup. My skin is really oily and I have pimples, like it keeps growing. Yeah, so like, and I have some marks which like doing the makeup, it's difficult to hide the kind of makeup I use.
You have concerns about, I won't use the word conscious, because you're not. You're happy in your own skin. Yeah. When you want to work with makeup, you feel that skin pigmentation is one thing that you're really concerned about.
Yeah, like I'm also worried that if the makeup will affect my skin.
Okay, so if you take care of your skin, if you wear makeup and if you take it out and clean it, nothing is going to happen to your skin. It's going to be fine. And generally we all wear for occasionally. We do not wear it every time.
Yeah.
You have anything in your mind how you want your makeup to be?
Yeah, like I've always wanted to try like smoky eyes and like matching it with some light makeup, like my lip color.
Okay. So let's start with like a smoky eye, a subtle smoky eye, and then we'll work on the like skin as well.
Magic.
It's magic. Like you have seen a lot of people who have like the foundation looks fine over here, but around the mouth area and over here, you feel like it's getting grey. So it happens when it's not really going with your skin tone. You can always use a concealer or you can take an orange corrector.
Either works the same or...
When they think of concealer, they think a lighter shade. The name conceal is basically you are trying to hide something, you're concealing it. So it should be darker than your skin tone. So it should not be like, you know, the Maybelline has or the other company has like 3 shades.
Yeah.
That is going to be your shade. It doesn't work like that. It's best to use like a sponge. It takes away the excess product. Important to match your neck with the foundation. So now you have to do the other side. And then we'll start with the eye makeup. Like Himalaya should sponsor me, no? Because I use a lot of Himalaya products. So I am using Himalaya Kajal and I am using it as a base. So, black eyeshadow. Shade. What do you think about your makeup?
Like, obviously it's changed my look. I actually feel like transformed, like from a kind of tomboyish look to like some classy party kind of look.
How do you feel?
Like confident? I don't know, I feel happy.
Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.